What's your name? How old are you? And what is your mama's name? Mama's name. Jessica, what's your mama's name? You want some lollies? Yeah, what is your mama's name? What is your mama's name? Oh, no lollies. What is your mama's name? Your mama's name. Your mama's name Lolly? Is your mama's name Lolly? Nah. What is your mama's name? And your dada's name? Dada? No, Dada. I cannot hear it. Yeah. What's your dada's name? Good girl. And your pop's name? Yay! And Nana? Nana? Jessica, what's your Nana's name? Oh no, you're gonna water the plants? Later. Mamaya. Say mamaya. What is your Nana? Nana's name? No, you don't put that one in your mouth. Have to wash it first. What is your Nana's name, Nana? Nana. Maria. And Tatay? Jesus. And Nanay? Yay! And where do you live? Tocoroa. And can you sing Incy Wincy Spider? Incy Wincy Spider. Give me that. Incy Wincy. Take that off your mouth so you can sing. Good girl. Okay. Incy Wincy Spider and up the water spout. Down came the rain and... Oh, what's that sound? That's a whistle. Huh? What's your name again? What's that sound? A whistle. Whistle. What does the dog say? The dog say, ruff, ruff. What does the cat say? What does Can you sing? Whistle? Whistle. Can you sing to me the tong tong tong? Tong 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 pakitong kitong? Whistle. Whistle. What's that sound? Is that a bird sound? Nah. What does the dog say? Ruff, ruff. And the cat, what does the cat say? Cat say? What does the cat say? Can you sing ABCD? Can you sing ABCD, Jessica? Okay, bye.